Gering Senator Brian Hardin has won the chair of the Legislature's Health and Human Services Committee. Prior to yesterday's vote, Hardin, who was the vice chair of the committee last 2 years, told the colleagues. Hardin, who was vice chair of the committee for the past 2 years, told colleagues the agency faces the most urgent medical desert at a time of downward pressure on spending. Hardin said while much of that was a result of the healthcare crisis brought on by the pandemic, that time period also showed the state a pathway forward.
If there is an ethic and history that can create the way forward from a supply and demand medical crisis in a state, it's the medical personnel across this state. I'd rather be us than them. And we, the legislature and the Department of Health and Human Services, will help them expand by spending smart and investing like our lives depend on it, because they do.
The Gering lawmaker said he sees his role as chair as a shepherd of the process to balance safety, turf wars, and spending, especially as a third of the state's budget is spent through health and human services. Hardin said that also means helping the agency find a way to streamline access to data and problem solving to provide meaningful outcomes for the state's residents.